So which tree is the new one? Can I be seen? I can't. You know, this colander might be a little bit better for me if I could take this little bottom piece off. I'd have to use some force, and I don't know how much damage it would do to the rest of the thing. Okay, it took moderate force, but it's not going to do any damage. I think I could rip the rest off. Cool. Alright, leaving Edwards Park and going to a northern Walmart.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on North Bryant Avenue.
This place is hopping, man. They got all kinds of activity
Turn
going
right
on.
at the stop sign.
It's a very unique flavor of activity. The African American flavor. You definitely don't see Mexican influence. Listening to rhythm and blues, and I think playing dominoes or something. Little cookout.
Turn right on Northeast 10th Street.
It's next to this water treatment plant on the left, and it doesn't stink. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not going any further east, that's for sure, because this area does scare me. You can see it's kind of, oh man, they got a bunch of tires in that pond. They're just chucking their tires in there.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Yeah, I'm happy to leave though. Oh, I think I could just go. Oh. All right.
1/4 mile, turn right on North I-35 Service Road. Then take the ramp on the left.
So that's it. I'm gonna stop it here. Oh wait, no. Until I get to the ramp. Is that a cop behind me? Yeah, there's a lot of black influence. Smashed window at the Family Dollar. There's I'd say a fair amount of recklessness in the area. Speeding and playing music loud. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Take the ramp on the left to I-35 North.
Oh, this ramp right here? Oh my God. Oh, I didn't even realize. Wow. Okay, exit 133. Alright, exit 133 was a little screwy, but I got through it at least. So now it's 3 miles on I-44. Am I on I-44? 3 miles to the exit 127. Looks like I got a mile for this. Highway patrol is just protecting the construction, I guess. A mile for the turn. It's so hot. I've been constantly sweating all day. That's not really healthy. Sweating all day and feeling too warm all night. Oh my god, I gotta make room. Oh, okay, my exit is here though. Okay, I gotta write it here. It's kind of screwy. Oh, there it is, something. Alright. I believe it's this. There's 3 choices. It splits in 3 different ways. It's really kooky. Yeah, look at all this red soil. I saw this on the map. There's a lot of red soil in this area. It's very unique. Okay, I go straight. An exit? What? Okay, there's an exit in 3 miles now. Wow. State trooper. Huh. Okay, 2.5. 4 lanes of traffic. Broadway Extension Service Road. Hefner Road. Okay, I gotta look for Hefner in 2 miles. A colonoscopy screening advertisement billboard said, "Slight pain in the butt, still better than cancer." Wow, they do have Texas style highways. If I took the furthest left, I would take a U-turn. So those are also found in Oklahoma, not just Texas. Alright, I got a right on Penn. I go 2 miles down Hefner, and then a right on Penn. It's 45 miles an hour. Getting more to the outskirts. It looks... Oh, that's bad. Wow, that's bad. I don't know if it's because of my tires or what. Yeah, these people are just crazy fast drivers. I get more people passing me around here than I did in the south, I think. Really dangerous drivers around here. They can pass me all day. I don't want to keep up with them. Oh my god, right lane must turn right. Okay. They've kind of like split it with cones. I thought that means you stay in the left lane, but apparently we get in the right lane. So this is the drive to avoid a toll road. A toll road is a lot more turns. But it's like, it's okay to me because I don't know the area anyway. I just don't like the bumps that make my tires scrape. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Okay, I'm going down Penn Avenue, North Penn Avenue, for a right on Memorial Road. Oklahoma Strong at McDonald's. Oh, I'm going through this. 40. $1.25 for gas? Imagine if it drops below $1. Wow. It makes the dollar menu cluck it like it's hot. I've seen that ad before. A few times.
3/4 of a mile. Turn right on West Memorial Road.
Memorial Road, take a right. You know, there's a lot of interracial relationships, mostly black and white, black and Asian. It's kind of interesting. It seems like it's like an Oklahoma type of thing. Walmart, there's a sign, and the Garmin will make me drive past it, so that probably means I could turn here. It's telling me to go all the way up to the highway, and Walmart is right here. Ooh, I hope nobody's behind me. Yep, somebody is.
Turn left.
Oh, don't give me that. Alright, whatever. Okay. There's somebody there. It's definitely no comfort when they got the blue lights in the parking lot. When they got the lot cop in this parking lot, this north Walmart parking lot. If they need that in an area like this, it looks like it's an open space, but they have enough criminals that come here. They also have to hire 2 security patrols to drive around this parking lot. Alright, and behind the Walmart, I just decided to walk up here for the better view. Walking on the parking lot isn't exactly a great view. They got a lot cop in the corner, one in the center, probably another in the other corner. And they put up the fence behind the Walmart. Because they got issues with criminals having too many access points, maybe sneaking out the back doors and across the field. So they did that. This Walmart really has to ramp up the security. I'm afraid to see what kind of broken packages are inside right now. How convenient is it to have a storage locker behind the Walmart? Big storage locker area. Take the stuff, sneak out the back, throw it over the fence, have somebody waiting, and then just hide it in a storage locker. How convenient. Alright, and coming down from Walmart, this is a pleasant walk. This is like some nice grass. Be great for running and doing sprints. They got a company with like some kind of an elevator that takes cars to the top. I don't know if that's actually a functional system or entirely dedicated to advertising to the highway. It's like some kind of a car elevator system, Carvana. You can actually see real cars in there. All the way to the top. What are they about? And I believe this is a Sam's Club next to the Walmart. What a setup.